Hello, James with you for Kalkine TV, and it's great to have your company on Smart Market Insights. In this episode, I'll take a look at Australia's property prices for the December quarter. Property prices in Australia have had an interesting journey, with significant price rises occurring throughout 2021. In fact, residential property prices saw the strongest annual growth on record in the December 2021 quarter, according to the latest ABS figures. The Residential Property Price Index, which shows the weighted average of the residential housing prices in 8 capital cities, rose 4.7% in the December 2021 quarter. Over the last 12 months, residential property prices surged by 23.7%, the strongest since 2003. Australia's surging property demand, which is largely the result of record low interest rates imposed by the Reserve Bank, has greatly encouraged consumer borrowing. Under this expansionary economic climate, housing prices have reached unpalatable levels, rising at an unforeseen rate. The latest ABS data highlights the significant impact that rebounding demand has had on property prices during the past year. From the report, there are a number of key takeaways. First and foremost, all capital cities have observed a rise over the past year. The Residential Property Price Index for all 8 capital cities marked an uptick through the past 12 months up to December 2021. The largest annual rises since the commencement of the series were seen in Hobart, up 29.8%, Canberra up 28.8%, Brisbane up 27.8%, Sydney, which rose by 26.7%, and Adelaide, which also soared by 23.9%. Another key finding outlined that house price growth outpaced price growth for attached dwellings. Housing prices saw an increase of 27.5% throughout the year. Alternatively, the prices of attached dwellings rose at a lower rate of 14%, signifying an inflated housing value estimation. The total value of Australia's 10.8 million residential dwellings jumped by more than $500 million Aussie dollars to $9.9 trillion during the December 2021 quarter. However, over the entire 12 months to the December quarter, the value of residential dwellings soared by over 2 trillion Aussie dollars. Moreover, the mean price of residential dwellings in Australia came in at around $920,000 in the December quarter, up from around $876,000 in the September quarter. And thirdly, the December quarter featured higher lending. During the December 2021 quarter, residential property prices rose 4.7%. The strongest quarterly rise was recorded in Brisbane at 9.6%, followed by Adelaide at 6.8%, Hobart at 6.5%, and Canberra at 6.4%. ABS data suggested that these results arrived in line with the lending indicators data, which also showed an increase during the December quarter. New lending commitments for housing rose to a record high during the quarter, while sales transaction volumes also recorded an increase. The December quarter was also marked with a rebound in economic activity as the Delta variant-induced restrictions were pulled away gradually during the initial weeks of the quarter. Alright, well that's all for now. We'll be back again with the exclusive Smart Market Insights show tomorrow. Until then, keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market updates and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.